Here's how to download Instagram videos on PC. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to sign into your Instagram account. After that, click on the video, or you can simply go to the Reels option. Now here, click on these three dots. Moving on to the next step, now here click on the copy link option. After that, open a new tab. Here in the new tab, you have to simply type in Insta Video Downloader. Now from the search, click on the very first link at the top. After that, here you have to paste your URL and then click on the download option. Moving on, here at this page, click on the download video option. Here, as you can see that our video has been downloaded, click on the open to view it. So that's how to download Instagram videos using PC.